What's up, guys? We are in Goldsboro today. Came out here with Miller, if you know Millsy Moto. We're gonna see what we can get into. Right now we're at a wheelie spot, and then later on we're going off-roading and a couple other stuff, so stay tuned, we'll see what we can get into. I can go farther than that. All right, tell me how far this is. Woo! I'm good.
Are you okay? Oh. I didn't get it on video. Are you good?
Yeah. Whoops. I was trying to get really far back there, and then I went really far, pressed the brake, and then I felt myself going back too far, and I don't know, I just took my feet off. Yeah, dude, I just scraped my bike and I rode away.
Fresh scrape on the old sub cage.
No, I've had a couple scrapes.
Yeah, I know, it's a fresh one though.
Fresh one, yeah.
You good?
Yeah. It was a cool wheelie. That's the farthest sit down I've done in a while. Oh yeah, I'm nowhere near that. Woo! 2, 1. Go. Getting it. Oh, we're going this way. Okay, we're at the off-roading spot now. Oh, right here. Oh, I can see why people crash out here now. Like all these little rocks and stuff. I feel like I'm gonna freaking bottom out, but I'm not. Woo! I did a jump off that last one. Oh my gosh! It seems like we should be hitting these the other way. This is tight. My handlebars are really wide, you know that, right? Yeah. Test out how tight I can get my wide-ass handlebars through something. Ate a little bit of your dust, but it's okay. Yeah, I'm glad you're in the lead because you're going through all the spider webs. I really like you're getting all these spider webs. That's great. Oh my gosh! I freaking hit the tire the wrong way and freaking kicked me right off of that thing. I like how you're like, dude, I don't even remember this. We're in the woods. I don't know where the hell we are. If we get lost, it's all you. It is so bumpy. Oh my gosh. Every tree root you could think of, and some of them are spray painted red. Like, that's gonna help. Look at all that. Like, come on. Oh, I saw that tree root. It was painted red. That helped. Freaking this trail really takes me back to my roots. I get it, because the roots, like, duh. Yep, that was a spider web.
That first trail was
Get it started, Z Garage.
I gave those guys a head nod. Am I good? Oh, I gotta turn. I rode that pretty far. Alright, gonna fill up real quick, get us a drink, take a break, and then more off-roading, more wheelies, more fun. That's the mini bike life right there. $2.07 for all that fun. Boom.